Aku mau pakai sepatu dulu ya. Nih sepatuku, lihat. Ini zaman kapan ya model? Kalau nggak salah tahun 80-an ya ini modelnya. Jadi keluar lagi. Ini biar tinggi sepatunya, biar aku tinggi gitu loh. Jadi dibantu. Halo semuanya, apa kabar? Ketemu lagi ya dengan aku. Hari ini aku mau pergi makan siang dengan temenku Mary ya. Tapi kita makan siangnya belum tahu kemana. Nanti dia sebentar lagi jemput aku. Jadi ikutin aku terus ya. Yuk jalan bareng. I got some footage already, just not let it out yet, you know, just still waiting.
Grill is one of my favorite.
The healthy burger.
Because, you know, I'm a fast food person. I'm not a restaurant kind of fast food. It's like
The healthy fast food.
healthy, yummy, exactly. You know,
Everybody loves
my
it.
favorite food is pizza and like burger and this. You know, that's why it's getting so like in my room.
Yes.
My room is a bigger kids, which they go. There is still lots of things. Changing to different reactions, and then I'm prizing myself when I see it. And that's why I start to like the job,
Yes.
but eventually like it's but
Just at full time a little bit too much sometimes.
it is too much
because
actually. But
you need
now
me time.
so tired, then I just thinking, hey, think you're 50 and you never had to work full time in your
Whole their life.
life.
And they never retired too.
Yeah, and what you complaining about happening because you just need to remember how lucky you are.
Yes, yes, it's true. That's what I said. Is everything happened for a reason.
Exactly.
And you know,
Okay, I don't know where I'm going.
you just keep going. You just keep going, and then be in the right direction. Yeah, that's how I believe that everything happened all for a reason. And turn left, yeah, Mary.
Because like in this way.
Yeah,
was
turn left, yeah, please. Yeah. Beli makanan burung. Itu Mary udah nunggu di ujung. Ini tadi habis makan langsung cari makanan untuk burung juga, pupuk untuk bunga. Anak-anak marmut ini lucu banget, gemesin, rasanya mau dibawa pulang aja. Tapi aduh, ntar kerjaanku tambah banyak. Jadi kamu marmut-marmut tinggal di sini aja ya. Look at you.
Okay, well, since
expensive.
yeah.
Now, when it's increasing, of course.
But I think still though, because even though it's a long time ago, still expensive. Yes, I know the
Yeah.
bamboo. Different
You
bamboo.
easily could cut it and use
grow.
it for a Christmas.
Oh.
No, you use it for Christmas tree because it was just look like
Looks like Christmas tree.
I just threw away my Christmas tree last year.
Why?
The plastic
Why did you
one.
try?
Yeah, because I was tired of it. And Rashid was.
You need new one.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna get a plastic one. I bought because at the time of Christmas it's
Yeah.
getting so expensive.
Yes.
The pine trees, even the small one getting like name.
Yeah, the lampshade. I will.
Yeah.
I will
Because I
send you.
can't remember the name and I'm
Yes.
not sure about how to spell
That is
it.
really good.
Yeah.
I need to buy more actually. I need.
Sudah sampai di rumah. Sampai ketemu lagi ya.